I'm Ankur, CEO of Braintrust, and I'm excited to announce that we've raised $36 million to advance the future of AI engineering. The round was led by Martin at A16Z, and I'm excited to have him here today.
Well, thanks, Ankur. I'm very happy to be here. And I love talking about Braintrust because I'm a very happy user in addition to being an investor. Now, the reason I'm so interested in Braintrust is I've been programming with LLMs for quite a while, and it's actually a very difficult thing to do. You have to rethink about programming, you have to rethink about tooling. And today, to get that knowledge, you kind of have to work in one of these very large companies that's on the forefront that has a big team building the tooling. Or you use Braintrust, which is kind of the only platform that I know of that is agnostic to any of the large labs, and then also allows you to have this very, very sophisticated way of developing with LLMs across the stack.
Over the past year, as you know, we've had the opportunity to work with some amazing customers, everyone from Notion, Airtable, Vercel, Instacart, Stripe, Zapier, and many others. And I think one of the main things we've learned is that great evals lead to great products. But evals on their own aren't enough. And so we've built everything from prototyping all the way through to observability into Braintrust. Today, I'm excited to announce functions, which are a big step forward. Functions allow you to create custom scorers, tools, prompts, and all kinds of other things in your code base and run them in Braintrust. The nice thing is you can prototype an application, for example, a RAG application directly in our UI, test it out, run scoring functions, and even deploy it to the cloud. Let's jump into a demo.
Let's build, deploy, and evaluate an app that uses RAG to answer questions about restaurant menus in San Francisco. We'll start with a simple prompt that doesn't use retrieval. When you look closer at the output, you'll notice that the model is missing specific information about those restaurants, so it doesn't give accurate responses. Before we add RAG into this, let's build a custom scoring function that we can use to evaluate our results. Right in the UI, I'll create an LLM as a judge evaluator by entering the prompt and setting up the scores. Let's try it out on a simple example to make sure it works, and then save it. Awesome. Now we can rerun this and check out the scores. Looks like we have some room for improvement. Let's copy this prompt and add a tool call. I defined this tool in my code and ran npx braintrust push to sync it with my Braintrust playground. Once I hit run, Braintrust will automatically, behind the scenes, call the tool, pipe its results to the model, and generate a final output. The whole thing is streaming and easy to integrate with a simple API call. The results look much better now, and so does the score.
We want everyone to experience how easy it is to build production-grade software with LLMs. Start building with Braintrust for free today, and let us know what you think.